2, 3. Okay, so here's another quick video. This compares the traffic going into JFK and LaGuardia airports with a following video that shows the arrivals of airplanes into Teterboro and White Plains airports. This still image is 1 day's worth of arrivals into JFK and LaGuardia. You can see that there are defined arrival paths, color-coded by altitude, blue higher altitude and red lower altitude, into LaGuardia and into JFK. This is the static shot of the same day's worth of traffic into the general aviation airports, which do not fly on a schedule, have a much more varied aircraft fleet, and as you can see, a much more varied set of arrivals. So if we animate this over the course of a 24-hour period, you will see that we see some peaks. So this is the evening, the late night going into early morning, and then relatively little traffic, and then we'll start seeing peaks of arrivals into JFK and LaGuardia respectively, with the afternoon traffic peaking the most. And here's a little hub low, and now here's another hub arrival, and we see this peaking throughout the course of the day. So we see this hub and spoke arrival pattern, high demand, low demand, and arrivals on very specific arrival routes. Now we compare that to the general aviation arrivals, which occur actually randomly. They're not flying on a schedule, and they have arrival routes which are a lot more varied. Because we see different types of traffic into the general aviation airports versus the commercial service airports, we get an inefficiency in the airspace. So our Deviate model tool right here is allowing us to visually see where inefficiencies are so that we can create efficiencies in the future. For example, improving arrivals, giving priority arrival rates to general aviation aircraft, or defining arrival routes, that could create less of a conflict along the way. So that's that comparison. Thank you.